CachyOS versus Fedora. Which Linux distro is better in 2025? Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Linux comparisons and tech guides. Today, we're comparing CachyOS and Fedora to find out which Linux distro is better in 2025, especially for performance, stability, and daily use. Mental models. What they are. CachyOS, an Arch-based, performance-tuned distro focused on speed, optimized packages, and responsive desktop experience. Fedora, a cutting-edge, stable distro backed by Red Hat, great for developers, workstations, and productivity with modern tech stacks. Performance and speed. CachyOS, performance optimizations tuned for responsiveness, uses bleeding-edge packages, fast boot, and low latency. Fedora, also fast, stable, and optimized, uses modern kernels and GNOME by default. Not as performance-tuned as CachyOS, but very reliable. Winner, CachyOS for raw speed and performance. Ease of use. CachyOS, more technical, best for users familiar with Arch. Customization requires CLI knowledge. Fedora, user-friendly, modern desktop experience. Great for new and experienced users alike. Good default settings out of the box. Winner, Fedora. Software and package management. CachyOS uses Pacman plus AUR. Rolling release, latest packages. Great for developers and power users. Fedora uses DNF and RPM. Stable repositories with frequent official updates. Snaps and Flatpaks supported. Winner, Fedora for stability and official support. CachyOS for latest bleeding-edge packages. Stability and updates. CachyOS, rolling release, fast updates but occasional breakages, best for experienced users. Fedora, fixed release model, more predictable and stable, ideal for workstations and servers. Winner, Fedora. Uses cases. CachyOS, power users, performance-oriented workflows, custom setups. Fedora, everyday desktop use, developers and professionals, enterprise-grade workflows. Final verdict in 2025. Checkmark. CachyOS, best for performance and advanced users. Checkmark Fedora, best for stability, professional use, and everyday purposes. Best overall for most users, Fedora. Best for performance enthusiasts, CachyOS. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Fedora versus CachyOS below. Rock it!